Hey guys, welcome to the session. Today, we are going to see how to create a custom app for your Microsoft Teams using a web application. Microsoft Teams provides many third-party apps which can plug in and use with your Teams app. This can be used for individual purposes or with our team members. But often we will be thinking, like, how can I create my own app in Teams? And the Microsoft Teams itself provides an easy option for us to add one. And that is using App Studio. App Studio is another app in Teams that allow us to create and deploy our own apps. Also, we can publish it to Teams Store, which is not covered in this session. To create our own app, we also need one web application which will be rendered inside our newly created application. Now, I will create one app that can be used in our Teams app and can generate a zip file, which will allow us to share with your team members without publishing it to the store. Add the App Studio to your Teams and open it. Under the manifest editor, you can see the Create New App button. This will allow you to create a new custom application. First, we need to provide the basic app details like short name, app ID. App ID you can generate by clicking the Generate button. We have to give a unique package name. For now, we just give com.test. Version, let's give 1.0.0. Under description we have to give short description and full description as they are mandatory fields. Provide developer information like name and website. Next mandatory section is App URLs section. Next comes the branding section, where you can provide the icons for the application. These icons requires different dimensions to display different places like app icon, app preview, etc. After providing all the details about the new app, let's jump into the capabilities. Teams app allows to have multiple web pages in different tabs. Also, this gives a bot integration interface as well. We can integrate Azure Bot here very easily. Anyway, I am not covering bot in this session. In tabs, first option is Teams tab, which is using to create apps which will be visible to everyone on a team. Let's go for personal tab for now. Let's provide name to my tasks. When the application loads, one tab will be with this name. Provide entity ID. Let's give the same name. Also, we need to provide the one public URL, and that will be rendering inside the application tab. I have one public URL which is deployed in Azure for free. I can use it for now. Save it. Now it's time for us to test it. Open the test and distribute under the final section. Here we can directly install it to the Teams or can download it as a zip file. Let's install it to our Teams app first. Add to Teams. This is installed to the Teams and launch the application. Now see the website is rendered as an app. Currently no tasks in the list. Let's add some and see. Also try with one delete. Next we can see how to share this as a zip file. So that we can share it with our team members. Before installing the zip file, let's uninstall it first. Go back to the App Studio and edit our application. Open the Test and Distribute tab again where we can download the app as a zip file. Click on the download button and it has started downloading the file. Here, we can see the file is downloaded to the download folder with the name testtaskapp.zip. Back to the Teams App Studio, we can either import that zip file and install it to our friend's Teams app or can directly install it. To try the import, let's first uninstall and then import the zip file. and the other option to install it using the zip file. For that, select the app icon and select the Upload Custom App option. Let's choose the zip file and add the app to our Teams app. Cool, now we will be able to use the app in our Teams app. Okay guys. That's the end of this session. Thanks for watching. More exciting topics are on the way.